In this video, I will discuss simple and effective weekly approach for clearer trades. So watch till the end. The weekly Forex template, a simple way to read the bigger market picture. If you start every trading week by asking, is the market going up or down? You may be making trading more complicated than it needs to be. Instead of trying to predict every move, there's a much simpler approach. Study how price behaves around an important weekly reference level. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple weekly template that can help you understand the bigger picture of the market from Monday to Friday. And the best part? There are only 3 main variations you need to understand. Let's get started. What is the weekly template? The weekly template is simply a framework for understanding how price may behave during the trading week. We are looking at the market from Monday's open, Friday's close. The purpose isn't to predict every candle. Instead, we're trying to understand the bigger structure of the week. Before we identify the template, we need one important reference level, and that level is the previous Friday's closing price. Step 1, mark the previous Friday close. Take the previous week's Friday candle, find its closing price, then extend a horizontal line from that level into the new trading week. This becomes your closing price, or CP. Think of CP as an important reference point for the upcoming week. In many situations, price can move away from this level and later return toward it. That's why you should have it clearly marked on your chart before analyzing the new week. Now, let's look at the 3 weekly templates. Once the CP is marked, watch how price behaves around it. There are 3 major variations. Template number 1, move away, then return. In the first variation, price moves away from the previous Friday close. For example, price may open the week and start moving higher. It continues in that direction for several days. But toward the end of the week, price starts moving back toward the CP. So the basic structure is price move from CP, then continue in direction, and then return toward CP. The same concept can happen in the opposite direction. Price can move lower first and later return toward the closing price. The key idea is price moves away from the reference level and eventually comes back toward it. Template number 2, move away, retest CP, then continue. The second variation is especially interesting. Here, price moves away from the CP. Then, sometime during the week, price comes back and retests the closing price. After that retest, price continues in the original direction. For example, price moves lower from CP, returns to CP and rejects CP, then continues lower. Or, price moves higher from CP, returns to CP and rejects CP, then continues higher. This creates a very important observation. The retest of CP can tell you whether the original move still has strength. But remember, a retest by itself is not automatically a trade signal. You still need your own confirmation and trading rules before entering a position. Template number 3, consolidation, then expansion. The third variation is different. Instead of immediately moving strongly away from CP, price may spend several days consolidating around the area. You may see sideways movement, compression, and expansion. Price can remain around the CP for 2, 3, or even several trading days. Then later in the week, the market finally expands strongly in one direction. This is the third major weekly template. The important thing here is patience. If the market is consolidating, don't force a direction simply because you want to trade. Wait for the market to show you where it wants to go. Why is the weekly template important? The biggest advantage of this approach is that it gives you a higher time frame perspective. Instead of looking at a 5-minute or 15-minute chart and immediately asking, should I buy or sell? You can first step back and ask, what is the market doing this week? Is it moving away from CP and returning? Or retesting CP and continuing? Or consolidating before a larger move? That information can help you build context before dropping down to your lower time frame. Don't confuse the template with a prediction. One important point. The weekly template is not about saying, the market must go up this week, or the market must go down this week. Markets don't work that way. The template is simply a way of organizing what price is doing. You are observing the market, rather than forcing your prediction onto it. And that's a major difference between prediction and preparation. The simple framework. So let's make the entire concept extremely simple. Every week, Step 1. Mark the previous Friday's closing price. Step 2. Watch how price behaves around that level. Step 3. Identify which weekly template is developing. Template 1. Move away, return towards CP. Template 2. Move away, retest CP, continue. Template 3. Consolidate around CP, expand in one direction. Step 4. Once you understand the bigger picture, move to your lower time frame. Step 5. Only take a trade when your own trading setup and confirmation appear. Follow a repeatable process. If you found this useful, subscribe to the channel because in the next videos we'll break down how to combine the weekly template with the daily template and lower time frame execution to find more precise trading opportunities. And if you want to learn our complete repeatable approach, check out our Forex All-Go Decoded ebook. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and let the market reveal its next move.